everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a super cool 1973 GMC Jimmy Sierra. Very cool truck, man. Got this from a buddy of mine, Scott, down south. Great truck, man. Original Texas truck, so it's got a rock solid body. If you guys been hunting for some of these, you know that, man, these things just rotted out. This thing is clean, top to bottom, good solid body. Really cool color combo. This is Spanish gold. It's got that white top, and what everybody's chasing these for is that whole top is removable, which is cool. I guess they only built these for like 2 years. Very cool truck, runs and drives excellent, good running 350. It's got air, power steering, power disc brakes, of course 4-wheel drive. We've rolled the back window down so that we can open this up for you. That all functions well. Just a cool truck. Brand new US mag wheels on it. BF Goodrich radial or all-terrain TAs all the way around it. Cool truck, man. Been hunting for a lot of this stuff. I know the SUV kind of line has really gotten popular, really taken off, and people love them, and they're cool. They're hard to find. Most of the stuff that we see like this is just rotted out. Broncos, Blazers, Jimmys, really tough to find. Older resto, it's got like 9,900 miles, I think it is, on the restoration. Sorry guys, I got pegged by the bugs. This was on the back of my truck when I was coming home, so a lot of that you're seeing is just a little remnants of the bugs that pelted me. I get hit with the fish flies. Chrome and stainless is really nice. Yeah, really cool truck, man. Cool color. Matter of fact, I'll show you in the back, there's actually some of the original paint. I guess this is Spanish gold, they call it. Already had to work on that windshield for about 2 hours getting all the bugs off it. Again, full removable top. There's a little scratching on that back window. But like I say, it rolls up and down nice. Spare tire rack here on the back. Does have a receiver for a hitch. A lot of people pull like campers and stuff. Yeah, there is a little crack there in the top. There's still a lot of this kind of stuff. The guys that do these vintage campers, they pull them with these things. Good, clean, straight truck. I really dig the emblems on this thing. Again, bumpers are nice. Good, clean Texas body, man. Brand new weld wheels, brand new tires. Look how nice those doors are and stuff. Trim's in really nice shape too. Again, front disc brakes. .350 Holley 4-barrel, stock intake, or I'm sorry, no, it's got an Edelbrock intake, stock exhaust manifolds, power steering, power disc brakes, air does work. If you look in there, there's your actually original paint in there. 3-speed automatic trans. I think these are 400s. Got to be 400s. Again, just a good, clean truck, man. Couple little dings. You know, you can nitpick some stuff like that, man. It's like I say, it's a little bit of an older resto, but very nice. And I think all this trim is original. I really dig the emblems. Again, look how clean that is in there. Mirror's nice. Door handles, they look original. Doors are nice and clean. It's got the factory two-tone tan interior. I've ordered the new mats for them. They'll say they're tan mats, and they'll say red. They'll say in red. They'll say GMC. Carpet's nice though. There's your original door tag. This is a clean truck. Bucket seats, console, stock dash, stock. Just get stock four-wheel drive shifter there on the floor. It's got an aftermarket Audiosounds AM/FM radio. 9924 on your odometer. So that dash is nice. It's got the rear seat. Looks like it's got all the seat belts in it. New dual exhaust, stock rear end. And again, look how clean this thing is. A scrape there. That's the original paint right there. Matter of fact, there's some original paint right there. Again, you can see how clean this truck is. You want to do that, Jordy? It's a little easier for you. No, right now. Get it? Yep, all right. No, hold on, let me show them this trim with it. Again, this works, it all functions. Just want you to be able to see that trim a little better. Go ahead, Jordy. Got it? There's a little handle you lift that pulls that off, or releases that, I shouldn't say pulls it off. Truck's clean underneath. Good solid truck, man. Definitely replace that carpeting, it's new. Earth shifter. Dash is in good shape. You can see a little wear there on that cluster. Really cool truck. Runs and drives good. Like I say, Jordy's got your air on there. Air flows cold. Good truck, man. Just a good, solid old truck. There's a couple little things right there in the paint. Oops, sorry, Jordy. Gauges are all functional, good oil pressure, fuel gauge works. Little cackling exhaust to it. Got power. Lower motor does work. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. Should be a little button here at the bottom you can click on. That way you can get a notification every time I do these videos, or one of these videos, I should say. Have a great day, guys.